My name is Josephine, and I'm super excited to share with you how I made this simple and chic Christmas wreath. Let's start with making the bow. We will be creating a bow with 3 loops on each side, so let's wind the ribbon 3 times, starting and ending at the center of the bow. The width of the finished bow should be about 10 inches. Then, let's set aside a piece for the tails. And then the last piece will be used to tie the loops and the tails together. Make a knot at the center of this piece and set aside. Finish the 10-inch ribbon loop in the middle, thereby creating a waist. Then attach the tail below the waist you created using a zip tie. Use the last piece to cover the zip tie, making sure that the knot is positioned at the center of the bow as you tie the ends at the back. Pull the inner loops outside, leaving the top loop in place. Don't forget to cut the ends of the tail to make it a fishtail, like so. Now we have a beautiful bow for our wreath. We will be using leftover yarn to cover the wreath ring. We got this yarn from Michael's and the wreath ring from the dollar store. Just wrap the ring with the yarn however you want it. But how I did this was like doing single crochet without the hook. This step is easy but took the longest time, but well worth it. The material used to wrap the wreath ring contributed much to the uniqueness of this wreath. Now to decorate our wreath ring, we will be using dried pampas grass and preserved fresh eucalyptus branches. You can get them from Amazon. The Christmas cherries were from dollar store. I didn't use a glue gun for this project, and instead I used this tie wire. Let's just pin the ribbon to the yarn since we're working with fabric. Let's just add some yarn loops for hanging. There you have it, our simple and chic Christmas wreath.